So now that you have created your account on EdPuzzle, the first thing we have to do is search and add a video. So on the top right-hand navigation bar, we're going to click on the search button. Here you will see on the left-hand side, you have different ways you can add a video. If you know you want a specific video from YouTube or Khan Academy or National Geographic, you can click on those video resources, and then up here in the search box, you can type in the video that you are looking for. For example, today I'm going to be looking for a video to introduce fractions for my second grade students. So I know I want a Khan Academy video, so I'm going to click on the Khan Academy link on the side. In the search bar, I'm going to type fraction basics. This is going to be an introductory lesson to fractions. Here you'll see all the different videos that pop up that fit my search criteria. I want this video right here, fraction basics, so I can click on it, and I can actually preview it here if I would like. Click on the play button. If this is a video that I already know that I want, I can go ahead and select use it. Then here's the part where you actually get to add in all the questions that you would like for your video. Before we go ahead and get into how we add different questions and voice memos to a video, I'm going to show you another way that you can choose a video from EdPuzzle. So I'm going to click on the EdPuzzle icon here on the top left to get back to my home screen. If I go back to the search button, so here I have my fraction basics, the video that I'm actually looking for from Khan Academy. If we actually select up here on the left-hand side the EdPuzzle locator, here you will see all of the videos that have already been created on EdPuzzle that other educators have actually made with the interactive questions that fit the criteria for fraction basics. So this is the exact video that I want, made from another teacher, and here it is again, made from a different teacher. You can select the video and preview it and go through and look at the questions. So for example, if I select and look at these questions, I might think, I don't really necessarily like all of them, I might not use all of them, but you could see that it's just an idea of a way to get started. You can always edit the questions and go back and change the format of the questions. Instead of it being open-ended, you can select it to be just a little memo or a multiple choice question. So those are the two ways that you can access a video on EdPuzzle. You can search for it on the left-hand navigation, either within the EdPuzzle community itself, which are already pre-made videos, or you can select and upload a video that you would like to specifically create from start to finish.